How to use Cash App direct deposit early paycheck. So for that, the first thing that you need to do is make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, tap on the profile icon on the top right corner right here. So after doing that, we'll get to this page from where all you need to do is tap on linked banks. So after doing that, all of the banks that is currently linked into your Cash App will be shown. And then from here, what you're going to do is simply tap on the particular bank that you want. And then from there, what you're going to do now is tap the routing and account number display right below your balance. So all you need to do is simply copy both a number and provide these directly to your employer's payroll department or portal. And once your employer processes the switch, your very next paycheck or the one after will actually start arriving early automatically. So yeah, this is how you will be able to use Cash App direct deposit early paycheck, and that is it.